my channel. I'm Tama, and this is Liv. You probably know Liv from Baking on Plant, and we're gonna be fixing slime.
Okay, first we're gonna fix this pink one.
I feel like this one needs more sparkles.
It's lazy.
Sparkles!
It's lazy, so we have to fix it, right, guys? Like, look.
We're gonna put some instant. Oh yeah, Liv. When are we gonna get that Play-Doh?
I'll get it right now.
Okay. Alright, the instant snow is really helping me. Really puffy and stuff like that. Oh, geez, this is perfect for this bubblegum slime that I need. Yeah?
Yeah, let's push this tooth. I pushed all the teeth.
No, you didn't. There's one sticking out.
Okay, now you push all the teeth. So I'll push all the teeth and I'll leave one.
Actually, how about you do it? How about you do it?
And you have to push all three.
And I'll press 2 and then you press the last one.
I don't know if that's a good idea.
Okay, I just put it all in and I want to see how. It's going to be like a mermaid bubblegum slime. Like no idea what to make it.
No, how about we put slime in it?
Oh, yeah.
Okay. Now ready? Wait. Yeah. No, I'm gonna leave. Okay, I leave 3 up. You push 1, and you can't do this. What's this?
Oh, yeah. This is so satisfying. Oh. Let's just not play with the alligator. Alright, this slime actually turned out really good. And I think we need. Where's the other Play-Doh that you said you were good?
Wait, time I put this one. Ready?
Wait, look, where's all the Play-Doh? Wait, Lev, where's all the Play-Doh?
I forget where the Play-Doh is. But I have to grab it.
Okay. I would actually buy this slime.
Hey, everyone. Stop. Fix it. Okay,
They're
today.
making the slime fun. Grab the Play-Doh. Okay, I guess that's enough. This slime actually looks kind of cool. I'm gonna open the bag. Why is this one in the bag?
Today we're gonna learn about
This is so small.
we're gonna
This is really good.
learn about science and then slime. How it's
Can I
made.
add this slime into one of the slimes? Miss Stewart, can I add this into one of your slimes?
So, and today's class is how slime is made. So it's kind of made like so. You need soap and water. I don't really know. And let's give it up to our student that she was here for 5,000 years. Right there. What would you like to say?
But Tyler's slime is the best.
Like this slime?
No, I made this slime when I was 2 years old.
I'm middle line, so
Okay, let's stop it.
okay. I'm gonna go get another student, and I'm never gonna be a teacher again.
Ooh, it actually turned out really cute. If you wanted, I just put it in there.
And you know that student named Liv? I'm gonna go give her this special wand.
Okay. Look how pretty. It's like metallic.
Hey, just guess what the teacher gave me? Okay.
Yeah.
Magic wand.
Yes, she told me.
Well, where even is the teacher?
She left. She loves you very much.
Okay, I'm gonna go get her. Let's move.
Girls, can you pause it?